Hello everybody, it's Patrick with K40 Electronics. Welcome back and thank you for joining us. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite new features in the new Platinum series. It's called Auto Filter. You know, for the longest time radar detectors have come with a city highway button like you see on your remote control. Well, you can adjust the sensitivity manual between filter, the least sensitive, city, the middle of the road, and highway, which is maximum sensitivity at all times. But we recommend the new auto filter. It is really nice because it changes your sensitivity and your range as you increase your speed. So, very easy to adjust. All you do is press the city highway button.
Highway, city, filter, auto filter.
Until you get to auto filter, and then you'll notice you're at the perfect amount of sensitivity whether you're driving slow through town or really going gangbusters out there on the highway. Of course, if you have any questions, you can get a hold of us day or night at 1-800-323-5608. Until then, hope you enjoy your driver freedom.